crowds here. He's a wonderful performer, that young man. Well, they've already had a fantastic night, Ayaz. Seeing the Karnataka Bulldozers reach 224 from 18 overs. Plenty of big hits sailing over the boundary. In fact, 9 sixes so far, 27 fours. Fans have had a fantastic time. Just a quick look at that ball, but it's not too much of a concern. Just 2 overs left. And if it comes back in better shape, that might even favour the Karnataka Bulldozers once again.
Yeah, but I think he's torn at the seam. And let's have a look at these acrobatics. Some of that is needed by the Bengal fielders. If they want to make a match of it still.
Kartik, 9 and 6, 1-4. And seems ready for more. Not that the Karnataka Bulldozers need to push this along. Already they have what we can safely say is a winning score. But a hugely entertaining evening here at the Chennai Stadium in Bangalore as we kick off the second edition of the Celebrity Cricket League in India. The opening 2 matches held in Sharjah the last 2 days. Big heave. Square leg runs around to it. Change, of course. Fields, but still gives 2 away.
But at least he put his body behind it and made sure that the ball doesn't beat him and reach the fence. That's the kind of commitment that the Bengal Tigers need to show. And of course, they need to show better catching ability.
3, 4, even 5 catches put down today, which could have made a big difference. Big heave again. And straight to the fielder. So Kartik unable to pick up the boundaries, even though he's striking the ball pretty well. The last stages of the Karnataka Bulldozers innings, they have put on 227, largely due to Bhaskar and Rajiv. Rajiv unfortunate to miss out on what would be a well-deserved century. Run out from 91. Straight behind the bowler.
Now, these are the areas in which they'll have to show some improvement as the tournament progresses. Don't give 2, give 1. Hold the catches and you'll suddenly find that the team looks far better, more competitive. Very butterfingered here today. The Bengal Tigers dropped, what, 4 or 5 catches. Dhruv going for a heave, missing it completely.
Well, that's the Bengal Tigers camp, and you can see that shoulders are slumped. There's a bit of gloom in there. Everybody likes to do well, not win. And today the Bengal Tigers in their first match in the Celebrity Cricket League Season 2, unfortunately proving to be second best with the ball at least. Right on line, struck hard again. Unbounced to long on. They want 2. Dhruv scampers and he will make it. It's not too good, but of course also anticipate that they don't have strong arms.
Yes, I think there's a lot of preparatory work that the Bengal Tigers still have to put in. The body takes a little while to get conditioned for competition. It's okay if it's a casual game, but this is competition. That's punched through the covers. A slash drive along the ground, and they run 2 again. Look at that. It's a very feeble throw. It's 233 for 3 after 19.